Jaipur, the capital of the Indian state of Rajasthan, is known for its magnificent palaces and forts, as well as its world-famous gemstone markets. Welcome to GemSpace. Today, I'm gonna tell you about the history of Jaipur and its famous gem markets. The city of Jaipur is steeped in history and legend. It was founded in 1727 by Savai Jai Singh II, the Rajput ruler of Amer, who sought to establish a new capital after the destruction of his ancestral kingdom. He set out to construct a planned city with an impressive infrastructure, rich in Hindu and Mughal architecture. He painted the whole of Jaipur city in honor of the pink sandstone used in many of the buildings in 1876 during a visit by Prince Albert and Queen Victoria. At that time, the princely state of Jaipur joined the British Indian Empire and became one of the most important political centers of India. It grew into a major trading and commercial hub, with its textile industry renowned for producing some of the finest fabrics in India. Jaipur, the Pink City of India, is known for its rich cultural heritage, magnificent forts, splendid palaces, and colorful bazaars. With a history that dates back to the 18th century, Jaipur has been a witness to the rise and fall of many dynasties and continues to be one of the most sought-after tourist destinations in India. From palatial monuments like Amer Fort, Nahargarh Fort, and City Palace to bustling markets like Johari Bazar, Tripolia Bazar, and Bapu Bazar, Jaipur offers its visitors a unique blend of modernity and tradition. The cultural traditions of Jaipur are strongly rooted in the values of Hinduism and Rajput culture, making it a great destination for those who are interested in learning more about the rich and vibrant history of the region. From its festivals like Tej and Gangaur to its cuisine and arts and crafts, there's something for everyone in Jaipur. If you're looking for a deeper dive into the culture of Jaipur, there are plenty of heritage sites in the city. Visit the Hawa Mahal to get a glimpse of the architecture that was prevalent during the reign of the Mughal emperors, or explore Amer Fort and its secret underground passages. The City Palace complex also houses an array of royal artifacts, and you can explore them while taking a leisurely stroll through its massive gardens. Jaipur also has some of the oldest religious sites in India, including Govind Dev Ji Temple and Galta Ji Temple. These ancient sites are sure to give you a sense of spiritual peace and enlightenment. No matter what type of traveler you are, a visit to Jaipur will definitely give you an unforgettable experience. So don't forget to add it to your bucket list. The vibrant city of Jaipur is home to some of the world's best gemstone manufacturers and dealers. Johari Bazar is a legendary gem and jewelry market in Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan. It is one of the oldest and most famous markets of its kind in India. Located in the city center, it has been a destination for jewelry shoppers since time immemorial. The main attraction of Johari Bazar is its wide selection of gemstones, silver, gold, and platinum jewelry pieces. Whether you're looking for jewelry for personal use or as gifts, you'll find it here. The most popular items include precious gemstones like emeralds, rubies, sapphires, and diamonds. Most of the shops here are well stocked with gemstones that are certified by the Gemological Institute of India, GII. This certification ensures that the gemstones being sold are genuine and of good quality. Additionally, there are plenty of options for customizing jewelry here, such as cutting and polishing, to suit the needs of the customers. If you're looking for wholesale prices on gemstones, then Johari Bazar is definitely the place to go. Here, you will get reasonable rates for your purchases as it is one of the biggest markets in India. You can find almost any type of gemstone and jewelry item in this market. From simple earrings to elaborate necklaces, you'll find it all here. To make the most out of your experience at the Johari Bazar, it is advised that you bring along a knowledgeable guide or expert who can guide you through the various stalls and show you the best places to buy gems and jewelry. Prices may vary significantly between stalls and vendors, so having an experienced guide can help you get the best deal. The best time to visit Johari Bazaar is during the day when the market is at its busiest. This is when you can get the widest selection of jewelry and bargain for the best prices. With its vast selection of exquisite gems and jewelry, Johari Bazaar remains one of the top shopping destinations in Jaipur. Tourists from all over the world come to this beautiful city to experience its rich heritage and bustling markets. Jaipur is very famous for gemstones and has been a major attraction for centuries. Gemstones have been an integral part of the culture of Jaipur, with the artisans and traders working together to create the finest pieces. From precious and semi-precious stones to ornate jewelry pieces, the gemstone market in Jaipur has something for everyone. GemsBiz is an online gemstone store that offers an incredible selection of natural gemstones, gemstone beads, gemstone cabochons, and jewelry direct from Jaipur. If you're looking to add some color to your jewelry collection, you can find it at GemsBiz. With our unbeatable selection, competitive prices, and great customer service, we are sure to have exactly what you're looking for. So what are you waiting for? Shop now and add some sparkle to your life. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our site gemsbiz.com.